Introduce highlight features or overview summary of JKRNEJGR 4.5-inch subwoofer. There are features include deep powerful bass response. The fiberglass cone and large rubber surround work together to deliver tight, punchy low frequencies. This combination ensures accurate bass reproduction that brings music, movies, and games to life with immersive depth. Waterproof fiberglass cone construction. The fiberglass cone resists and maintains its shape under varying conditions. This robust build ensures consistent sound over time, making it suitable for both home and automotive environments. Versatile 4 ohm, 30 watts, rating. With 4 ohm impedance and 30 watt RMS power handling, this woofer pairs well with a wide range of amplifiers. The versatile power rating makes it an excellent for upgrading existing speakers or building new sound systems from the ground up. Large rubber surround for accurate movement. The oversized rubber surround allows the cone to freely while maintaining control. This design provides excellent elasticity and compliance, resulting in bass with less distortion even at higher volumes. Perfect for home theater and car audio. Whether you are upgrading your living room setup or enhancing your vehicle's sound, this 4.5-inch woofer delivers performance. Its compact size fits most standard enclosures, making installation straightforward for both enthusiasts and professional installers. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.